Welcome to the Weekend Accelerator, the Excel application for all your high street bar crawl needs. All right, we're going to go through the application now. We're going to start over here on the Maps tab, and as you can see, the largest feature on this tab is the map. Once the application optimizes the bars and gives you a list here, those bars will show up on this map, and the colors will correspond to the colors on the output chart here. Up in the top left corner, we have our constraint summary. These are the inputs that you input when you click this button here. We have age. That's just to determine that the person using this is 21 years old. We have the weight of the person, and that goes into estimating the BAC of the group. We have the day you want to go out, starting time and ending time, your budget per bar, the number of bars you want to go to, and then your ultimate goal, whether it's to maximize the total amount of alcohol you can purchase with your money, or the maximum amount of liquid, or whatnot. In this box here, you have a cumulative BAC estimate for the entire group, and then distance estimate from the last bar to to your home, and then an Uber fare to get back home. This bottom chart here will list the bars that the application chooses for you, your budget per bar, the amount of liquid and or alcohol in ounces that you can purchase, total number of drinks, and or the average price of those drinks. When we click on the data tab, we see that the list of bars that the application will optimize for you will be listed here along with latitudes and longitudes. And these latitudes and longitudes help estimate the total distance as well as the Uber select fare to get back home. Click on geocode. This is where we get our latitudes and longitudes. Your address home will be listed right here, and then it will be geocoded. This is from a third-party open source geocoding Excel sheet. We have our list of bars here with their names, addresses, and then latitudes and longitudes for every bar. And then our next three tabs are the happy hour data, and we're just going to go through one of them here because they're all identical, but it's just happy hour data for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As you can see, the list of bars is over here on the left, and then start times and end times for happy hour, as well as the duration of those happy hours. As you can see, some bars, their names are listed twice. That's because those bars have more than one happy hour. So the happy hour specials may be different in those different time periods. So they have been set up with their own row in the array of data here. At the top of the columns, you'll see a list of drinks. These are the drinks that certain bars will have on special. And the drinks that are on special are the ones with the values here, and those values have been highlighted in yellow. As we come down here, we can see this array here will have the information for the bars that you should travel to and how they're optimized. And Solver uses not only your inputs, but then some of these calculations here that have been made. So Solver can use some of these to help optimize your list. So let's go back to the map tab, and now we are going to run the application and get a good look of how it runs. So first you click input, and let's say age. Let's say you're 30 years old, you're 200 pounds. So you want to go out Saturday night, starting at 9 p.m., ending at midnight. Say your budget per bar is $20, and the number of bars you want to go to, you want to go to 3, let's say. And your goal is to maximize the total amount of liquid that you want to purchase. Let's say your address is that. Okay. Once we have our data inputted here, we click go. Close this. Then we hit generate. As you see, the application is working. It's coming up with an optimized list of bars. And we have our 3 bars that we should go to. Our budget that we spent per bar, the amount of alcohol in ounces, amount of liquid in ounces that we can purchase, and the average price of those drinks here. If we click on geocode, see this address here, geocode all rows, updates that, puts this information here, update the map. And as you can see, we have all our information now with our new updated bars. This has been the Weekend Accelerator, and for more information, see Weekend Accelerator on excelblackbelts.com.